Hello and welcome to my video. Today, I'll show you how to use your Android mobile phone as a controller to play games on your PC without any ads. First, go to the link provided in the description and download Droid server. Follow the instructions to install the .exe file on your computer. Now, on your phone, go to the Settings app, search for DNS, and click on the Custom DNS option. In the address bar, type dns.adguard.com and click the Save button. This will help block ads on your device and may occasionally work on YouTube as well. Now, go to the Play Store and search for Droid. Install the app, then click the Open button. Also, open the Droid server app that you downloaded on your PC. Make sure that the DNS server you entered in the DNS settings is working, as it might not function with mobile data. Also, ensure both your PC and mobile device are connected to the same network. When you open Droid on your mobile, you will see an interface. Click on the Connect button, then click on the plus icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, click on the Find Server button. After a few seconds, the server IP address will appear. Click on the Save button, then select the server from the list. Now, click on the Gamepad button and select the Standard Layout option. When a pop-up appears, click the I'm Fine button. Continue to repeatedly click on the Standard Layout option and the I'm Fine button if the pop-up appears again. After about 10 to 12 clicks, you should be able to access the gamepad. Now here's the proof that the gamepad works. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to ask questions in the comment box if you encounter any problems, and I'll do my best to help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.